the biggest one, of course, Bernard Ntubosiakon, aka Chairman Wontumi, has confirmed that his client has been hospitalized. This was after his arrest and interrogation by the state security officers. Speaking to reporters after hours of legal and police proceedings, lawyer and the MPP member of Parliament Andy Apia Kubi revealed that Wontumi fell ill during the interrogation process and was subsequently transferred to a hospital for medical attention. But what I want to know, and I say, with Wontumi, what really is happening?
Well, Medasiminia, I know pay my memfa and Chasunko and my water for ne one swap or Shayin. And the baby more free the case you could be na memfa and free regional secretariat under the leadership of Yura Benjamin Nama and my your party for polling station executive, electoral coordinators, and constituency officers. Na yen kancho mo say obi anyere ne ho nya dwumaden party dia wo mu na wa nya dwumaden a yehu nti obi anyere ne ho nya dwumaden na minua asema obi say asifimu na reho na wabisa won say he fa na Ghana democracy yeko dia by ne say Friday ena ye nyina ye wo man mu yehu say yura Ntubosiakon ne residence omo BCG national security for BCG o na menua se onyamfoni bi fe ya wo hwe akonde a na ekrokro mo a na menua na obisa ho say Ghana kabimam kan bi no ewe na say police for eto nsa frɛ no na oka kire mo say untumi ma na adwada ye enro achi obeba because ne ho dodo no na anka police are invite you. You see, police is your friend. Police for me ya namfofo. Inti anka police are invite you. Na waka chane say bibi ntimi ntumi ma me ho dodo me because say you could di akonwa kra ye say ye swai yade because o yade a untumi nya hwe. Inti nipa no ho dodo no na waka say me ho dodo me nti anka momma me kwanya. Na anka ho behia say national security for ebeko nakachi. Na enu free wono Monday one na lawyer for ekupiem wo police headquarters na omototo na no e granting bail omototo na no e di asem e na omokan ye kwadu be na omode ball omo say 1 waye illegal mining 2 wa saying so 3 wa wura forest e na oyi ano ka kire omo say obi anim say me wontumi a me wo yi me ye miner inti menye illegal mining na me nko say nso biara nso e na forest mu me nwura ho inti nanka asem ne nya first part awi afi na police for ebeye nhwemu se asem a Chairman Wontumi e kan ye no eye nokre ananye nokre omoma ne bill ofiri ho no e no kofi na police for ye se ade chi a aye nra omra na because say ma obila so do ho be kire say bia unwane ye nti enura one na lawyer for nso ekoi na omukoduru ho no omu ni di nkomo wie na opie no na EOCO for nso ebeche no na EOCO for edi asem na abayi a mo beche Wontumi nsem no de bebre say man is na wakoje bosia wo Exim Bank maza eka dan eye civil case o nti se wakoje bosia mosi mukura warrant no summons letter summons no o frɛ nipa ne say asem ABCD masama o nti be yi ano meboa so edia na eba ya omuditani Wontumi a kosi anadwo a omo anyi no edia asem no obisa ho say Ghana ye democracy no ewo he and em say ye nyinati ya no pa ye nidi ye ebia bibiesi politician there. That is why we are politician me advise say anopa oba pie na no wadidi because upie bibi oba ko pie ba bifoforo nti anything can happen and ye nyini ni enwonam so edodo yen nti nipa ade achi odaduro so ade achi a woni di ye definitely no bedodo no nti ne na pom din eyemre emom de ne ko hospital na nti a ye nya ye ne say ba bi omo kan say omo de ne ko no kwa omo amfa na nko na anopai say lawyer Enoch Ahrenso Ekasai. Or say or Martinenka. Ekodi EOCO for omo medics in some inti omo hwe nim sa no pay omo de ne beba na mo abeto investigation eso. Na menua say adia ekoso o mamu so wo yo amanyoni titi o yem rante aye bai ni ketesi aye bai so wo amanyoni e wo sa o yem hyehye because obi a oye public figure you say Ghana ha yesu se bia wode dwum wa ye boni bia sane ontumi nwan nti ebetuma je ne passport and every person even suspected murder. That is why yedi kan ebo call there say oh you suspect until a court of competent jurisdiction abuafo ansana ebia yedi wakotuma na yatwa so no bisa on say edi asem na ekosui on say politics na ye no say si Ghana ha politics anya de biemu say obi nya tumi a opese omia ni yonko na ne ho kire no but ebia nipa no obemia na ontumi nku no ochina baton no besesa baton no sesa ere na ebisi on ye na mo nyina no ye yanuafo ne namfo e wa manyosem ye nka no kre no de ye hunu ne ye nka ye mfa asem ne nto nsanie so na ye nwe asem no wo de da Ghana fo etie wo de anya da Ghana fo etie nti ye mi se on se Chairman Wontumi mpo wa ye galamse no etoatu ana ewo ho ye mi se ho hwan na share galamse fo kutupa se wo monye galamse MPP ba no galamse na ho NDC for the year campaign say MPP for A2 galamse nti ye de ye ba me say the last time that was last year somewhere September na me call Accra my na me ne flight no the way the man was lambasting the MPP government because who was who from minim say no kura galamse ne say asase nti mantumi mi otemenche mantumi mi ma no because me difo mi trim galam ye ne power galamse ne say asase nti mantumi mi ma no na obisa won say edien e na kofa nsem yi na aba agalamse yi guzu nti Chairman Wontumi kwa na minor Chairman Wontumi kwa na tu galamse akomba sha ase ache ye bontoa ye ro mahama e hye yi galamse yes ne kutupa say moi galamse nti ya che mu no ye ba ye be ma mo amnesty o man amnesty what say kutupa no because we say on
mahama kan
oh okay mama president mama kan the records are there
okay so obema mo amnesty
yes
ama o makotu galamse
oh no man ka say
ami bisa question
no one ka say
ben ka say wakasa
dabi o say moi galamse nti ya che mu no ye ba ye be ma mo amnesty
okay
man ka say obema mo amnesty no okutu galamse
okay
na Hanso na se omukutu pan bium. Ye wura kwakubu ahen. Ne Dr. Atoni Oben. Omo ne nam galamse sata videos no wo ho. Se ye de ye ba ye be mamotu. Nti munkotu. Momunto maye ye be mamotu. Nti nipa no kwa no wansa. Wa hye no bo. Se ye de ye ba be mamotu no. Se wo ba ba power na se wo kra wontai ayi akire kra na. Obetu enye bi na kosi boasi ya nkrofo papa ne omoyire omukunum ehwe omonkwan because omo hye omobo what's the politics no ye ya ye nhwe ochenasem because ebia na NDC aba power NDC impre galamse so because ye nyina ye di adanse se galamse no ese ye kwa ye ni nsu but asema ye kan ye no na hye omukutupa omotu inti se obi aye galamse a ye nche no enne galamse na sto ntwa yo komikrom so aman what kwan ndi ye ba kire say san kofo no mutu galamse ni ye ni momo aso ya ke omo ana ukodwa aboso ko abroko feni ayi kroya owo wo hiwi abroko feni other areas no bunzan mo ko hwe galamsa ekoso ya ke obi enti yenti na be 2 weeks ni bibia ni efie mu omutu galamse ya ke obi forest nim eko bungam so forest no anowa ye tu galamse mo didi mo awie ye tu no nti upa che say aban mpanifo amfa ho ya che obi go to micromanchi galamse ekoso NDC for kwa no nti enya say omukwa no group mienu ehia forest for eko chi galamse yes macho men eko forest for no eko bo mo ehwa sem kosi say go to Akontomra. Akontomra first galamsey or nene galamsey adeteze. And nko for 10 from January to last month. Nko for 10 and a Akontomra. Inti yemi say galamsey ni yakwanwi. Me nka say so be ya galamsey me support because me I have never involved myself in galamsey. Obi anim da bia me opportunity na me address galamsey meka. Say me galamsey me nye bi da. Ya ban power mo ye manye bi. Ya ban free power manye bi. So yemi say galamsey ne kuna ye kono. Ye kono say. Enti Chairman Wontumi dia ne de eye pure way chanting. Eye pure way chanting because Chairman Wontumi ye obi a obon home modern e wa amanyo semu. O say okọ national chairman. Ti NDC for no per se. Omo Chairman Wontumi na mo bubu na pray. Because minua sa same way a ya kan anybody a Chairman Wontumi aye dia. Minua and the sanka ehun hia because once the police aton safra no so court na court buwa no fo a why na betumi aka say mi ko yi Chairman Wontumi afri court wo intimia die ekos no yenya yeya manyofo a yemje mrante ne die e wo say yem hihie whether you belong to the NDC or you don't belong to the NDC also more yes because enne when you to me intimi mfa to me no enwehu bi mi mfa say no ochina power betumi asesa ye power no ye kan say bebre ye say NDC for you beat him 1.5 million vote into this 200 years and sada maba almost more beat 1.7 oh into ochina sam nobody can determine the future this is yankopon all right into the ye no ye hu say ye chechiro man na sebe military era no atwamu ye hu say chechiro man ya nhwe ya ochina me so maba beba power ebia na de mmeye no endia na ebechen Wontumi de no but eno ne ye pa na
okay Kofi messing about but my call Oliver. Is it a matter said the NDC want to taint the image of Chairman Wontumi? Endina moye na moye.
Minu ya bema medase. Anopay mesre na medenchia ediama liberty etifo. Mesa denchia edema mankasame MC Dominic. Na medenchia so dema me honorable Kofi. And menimuse senye Kofi Obano o kachere yense shi yoso constituency for no at the end of the day all my yensa ensi form sanso na Dominic Jesin so no so boa no nso no adwuma papa biala na se ade papa biala ye de ahye nsa biara no obehwe aye no waye ne ye menua question no esaye medebiem na as to Chairman Wontumi ne de na mebranya kwanya wo kasa no ka bibi se NDC for yahunu say OKO national chairman. Now the question is, at the end of the day, there were 16 regions in our Ghana. There were region bia and any chairman. Into NDC for say ya boti mu pose say ya pese ya rate ya two bisosa for that national chairman position na in the ticket of MPP. Chairman Wontumi nko no ye chairman wa MPP na.
Ebia this time no musuro no.
Ebo kwan benso. Any anka the biggest target should be of omo national chairman in team. Enye Wontumi. Nanka the biggest should be of omo national chairman. Where we should call the spade within this nation. Say ye say ye bibi na ye bone na tembia ye beshe politics echi afwa bonia. At the end of the day, there was ye two asiano, the enkankana was ye two asiano, intimate to asia manenye as a state. Chairman Wontumi, na sama MPP for Jeremono, I ask myself, say Chairman Wontumi sabi, o ye ni galamsa, o ye ni good, ditch the public, no. Na at the end of the day, no, MPP for any MPP ma, no the boom of mana. The answer is no. Na what the kona busu yechi. As such Chairman Wontumi as say oye regional chairman no onye nisika no onye nisika in the benefit of the family nti anka wosu no anka onsu mfra busunya ene ne ma kuo MPP kuo wa ba bedon kuo no eno nkyere say oye niema bia ensem fata sebe edi oye de eba ede beba o man so a e wose ye tenachiri ni ye hwede saa menua Chairman Wontumi asem na asem nyina no nyina ne san na ye bede se me brate ha no no ankasa eka say ye friend no ye bisa ne say oye legal mining and aso ye galamsey oso ye legal mining yet omai we mu MPP fu ankasa tai omo lands and lands and natural resource minister is it John Abujinapo Abujinapo ankasa no e de ba bonten e ma Ghana fu nyina ye hunu say Chairman Wontumi gold awotu no onam kwan papa so no e no di tu agudie no sabi Abujinapo oye ono so ye ndisi ni
say eno no ekoba say eye ajumakuo but not Wontumi per se,
but ajumakuo no which is akontamine no very good ye ka wona company ni yomode a why no da no,
but if it's akontamine involved in an illegality that doesn't mean say Wontumi so also involved in that illegality.
At the end of the day,
I do agree and share your point. Say maybe our CEO and anything
as a CEO, there wouldn't be the need say wajuma mo di kwa ye adwuma abra unnim bia ye kwa ye adwuma no e ho krata asem krampo akwa akwesi sen woni the front line person e was say you need to engineer within the affairs of that proceedings and sana enkrofo no omo take on say ebi at the catchment zone omo de amawo no omo koye ho adwuma ma yeden omo kwa koye adwuma enti yentimi nka enyi ni nsi nchen as a person eno nkoda yet Ghana heya one of your sister stations Joy a documentary about galamsey emo ko Wontumi the site on video no minua as to media people omoko ho nkrampo no omutimi nya machos omo de omonsa ekeka wo mo at the end of day enti yeka evidences to akonta mining as Wontumi being the board chairman of the company. There is no way MPP ni betimi akase bia asama abane kano and I say asama investigations na ekoso no emu bia ni ho asade enya no kre.
But if so, is this the way we should handle him?
Is it the way we should handle it? No, me seremi bisa o.
I am asking.
And also ntina me seremi bisa as a state. Police if woni hu to me, omuni hu kwan. Say obi di boni a ye chinana.
But it's not been established where the boni.
Oh, minua.
Yes, sir.
It has not been established. So with the boni, hey, invitation no the man no.
Sure.
Nanka he was supposed to have appeared on 21st
of
21st of May.
Okay.
He was supposed to have appeared within the Zaka letter and also show off on one corner. One man note on that day to respond to them we say bia enne me hold to me enti bi intimate me amao o twen ye till that minute omo EOCO for boss no esa friend no uti on wakasa ni conversation no o si omo friend me ye friend on phone so omo kai ni say masa na ka wo say ye no nya nhyiamudie bi on 21st ba ye hwe wadi ma wama and sana or trade back in response say enam wenti na me yare enunti na mama inti monhwe manim on Monday which is endrech ya etwam no na anka wonso ubuman na wubuman mra any institutions yetimi to yensa frewo na on your own decision you decide say time am pen am responding
but then say hosa
without making them known.
Say
Mensaka letter no 21st. It should have been on 20th response no. Mihia 21st.
Yes.
It was a response but before 21st.
I agree. And response on uncle. And our friend. And my friend. And our will say, oh, a woman say our friend, but ebia BBC says enti ajuada meba. I hope say they also adhere to what he said.
Senior confidence ben na that minute omunya wo mu say ebia obeba na say wo ma.
Okay.
Inti yedi ka to yensa fro ba wan fro bia wan ka hwe wan ba. Inti kwanya ye befa so a ye hwe a yensa beka wo no. And as usual police service one of the things omo ye say omo ma we invite one ma after invitation you know omo to me dey omo enforcement eba just to pick you up.
Sure.
inti saa di no mo ye no where from this rainbow star MPP for ka say limit ye democracy when limit ye is this the first time asabe ye kwa kwachi obi on this is na say when the first time
but at first
at
first na say you criticize say you're wrong and this time too you should be wrong
boss.
Yes sir.
What I'm saying is na say police for any who to me
Omo I don't know the omo
iti omo who to me na why are we prejudging for now?
Who is prejudging?
No. I say we are all prejudging within the actions of the police or the security force of Moko.
But then say what I say police are wrong. One cancer.
Ye fano within conversation, no?
Yes, sir.
Any MPP for come can say ye de say democracy, no?
Sure.
Or because ye invite no wama and ye di reinforcement akoni fie. Inti enam sa di ninti no. Ye di say and I say ye limited democracy ni dia. Very good. Na okane sa. Na meaning o limit a juma police for or the within the forces no mo dey. Omo dia show mo nsa no. Na so mo ni hu to me bia dia. Ene mo ma ye hu as a state. Say police for no mo ni hu akonya. They don't have every legal right on those bases. Say na nke what say omo di reinforcement. Ekuonaba fie so omo kwa akwache no. So many dia they should let us know. But omo wadia, then it's good we shut up and let the police and the court do their work. As a political party, ye freedom. That is what I just want to say. Enti na me nuane ka say, and as me brepe no ka say, sene to me e dia dani no. E betimi abasa ochena na to me na sesa na ba be di omo so omafa. And they will also pretend in doing the same thing. But okanesa umomo die no and ye be describe ye no as a witch hunting because one who say ye wo bibi. Inti say kwanya ya fa so ye nipa no. Say nipa no na ne hu bo mu ne ye no say so far as say ya yo bibi ni de e wo say ono so obi aba no ye kokko ye obibi. Minua there is a case within 2016 na me brati ha na wo ka no. Nipa no oye MP still now na oda MP ayi sakrowe ayi nofton omo MP odani den manajo ena mo soma police ayi investigative bodies no omo ko fan obi oye MP sabi or by within the boxer or said the boxer and or the bar police station within 2017 obi aya to abaji no you are talking about chairman party chairman no be a state na to abaya to abaji na the BBI is being funded by the state in Krampo no more than if asa akwan so. Enti what are we ranting about here for now about Wontumi? Yete Ghana ha no yenim se Wontumi galamse champion okwose sa China fo ediomu gu kwa yenim ana
wonim ne sa
oh menua just recent ya China fo nansanya ye kwache China fo ama confirmation from China fo nankasa no omo say they are mining for akunta mining na ye Wontumi and odiom ko akunta mining hwan dia China ni no free China be do Ghana ha no free ho happen no kwa yenim that's right no enti they are wrong no moma yenka galamsey na mebra osa kika galamsey na you know look yaba Mahama never supported say yaba be ye galamsey but Mahama supported say ye de kwan papa beto ho ama small scale mining ya ye ni ye. That was the policies of Mahama. And no something a good board policy no ye unveiling no ye can never clear about kwanya a good board will be run dealing with the small scale side. And only ensure ye papa ye deba and I say ye de to am mine obi hu. But the enye no I'm not sitting here to say be a andisim ye ninkrofo mo ye galamsey. Emra yemra. Nipa bia ni hu bom so ye ndisi so ye MPP. Nipa bia ni hu bom bia no omunkwache no. Inti minimum crampo ne ye ba konya so nense ye minimum crampo amente ye no. We heard of some MPs bi mu a omo dinya ba out asabe omunim say omoye saa nneɛma ne bi. And I won't sit here to support this enkanka. Say me yan DC ninti. Enti me ba betena ha say me ba be support. Me bra pehin kasa na o ka say akontombra. No munye ayi na galamsey wo ho but na nya yi before 2016 there wasn't galamsey na akontomra district. Eye galamsey free zone. No munye galamsey wo babia. But as to ene ye kasa sisi ye MPP Regional Communication Director omanka so makurase nyamie diso galamsey ye to abawie ye na nsanyan galamsey koso ye na ye call ye stop ye kasa sisi ye omo excavators 2 at the site sisi ya.
Let no anyone quote you wrongly. Say ebia o be ka say MPP communication
me can say onu mo
anu ti na me sisi dua say na be ya
no
enko ka say wa betre ha
no dabi me can say wono but me can mo mahunu say baabi o man ka say o makura wo
yes
baabi o makura wo e ho na ne papa wo sisi a ye bi command pay.
I agree.
There was a galamsey going on right under the eye. Inti yawo yankasa yankrofo bi mu wo party ni ma we've seen them. Inti the enye no let's call the spade a spade.
Go mo party mo hu.
Oh, both side of the NDC MPP. I won't sit here and say you MPP nko na say okuo bi nko ne nkrofo a ye de ade no e de adwira wo mo. De enye no enye. Yet your man way mo. How miner can go to the forest? Ya beji Samaland edi tumu wa Ghana ha 2018.
But mementi bibi ase with Chairman Wontumi no. If say police and EOCO more evidence say obi ayese
ya.
Se nipa no enam kwan so ko no fie na afi na mode cars ko cross no assign arrested no. Why not send a time or war the police headquarters no monko se nipa we so see ahwe na mo so monje from there.
Good. Without decision no it falls within their section. In one sitting here no we are dragging the whole issues pursuant to politics. And as to EOCO, see the omojuma, I can't decide for them.
But should that be the practice all the time?
What is wrong is wrong.
Okay.
I won't sit here to condone say it's the best. But anya denya invitation be invitation, arrest be arrest.
Right.
But as to how it was conducted and handled, any be a hunu sem from so what they are, no problem to that. And yenyina yakwako ye nipa going forward we correct ourselves along our ways. But the enye no mumba ye hunu se enye senior broad daylight in Zaura seshi in Zaura galamsey fo kura tuo broad daylight o tuo wo MC fie won Zaura former yes me ka say broad daylight seshi in Zaura which is the former DC na gratifie galamsey fo kura tuo ebe tutuo woni fie out of the bad inti galamsey yao.
But Oliver, hold it there. Best thing about Honam call Kofi share the arrest and the way Enyama Esikoso and with the actions of the NPP supporters where even Wontumi attack 2 police officers. When you sit back and hear things like this, how do you feel?
Yeah, say MPP supporters attack 2 armed men. Me, I don't call them police because they are not police. They were not police members. Yeah, unfortunate because omo ye abambofo a omo boy ho ban. Me, I always say adia enye me de no ini se me de ye me nyonko because me there be say because of politics now be boom nsam a obeka chem so oh me nua enya hwija menka but me say no obumu o say me life nti adia me ya emfa nkoso I be say nipa brabo de I don't do it na me nua no e kan say Wontumi omo frɛ no fine omo frɛ no e bia wanko wabu mraso police for no mo frɛ no sɛbe ɔmo ni 9 police for no mo to nsa frɛ no ɔmo ni 9 because police is different from national security. They are all security enforcement agency, but police, you know, they maintain peace and order. Police here now for. That is why first, you know, a police force and a police service. Force, you know, just a more to me, baby. Inti, first, no much balance, barracks, and the police force it. You feel me? A man tell me, you know, money. Inti police is our friend. Inti time ben and a constitution exercise say police don't serve Robi. Now want to me and qua I say a national security for neko police for no omo offer and omo bodyguards and so national security for na inti asema aba no yen kan no kwenda won because me na me ye oye mini aketwa politics no ye bi mu osoro na bi mu form oye mini aketwa and said that chimbi bibi ba mamum na mnu bia o eno na make also want ya se no o ka sem bi say Northton MP Oku Jeto Abrakwa ebia na refia se bia na constituency na South die okay no problem inti adema damia fako okay me the oka no me but o say politics da bia make say politics na ye no ene wanya to me inti also this 16 partner inti say set sa antwa yi o kan say Harry Krum ye 2 galamsey under his watch and Harry madam for amenen we minu aketo amenen se opo bi a wakon galamsey e wo region mu a Hariado opo bi a wakon galamsey pa e wo region mu a Hariado say na edi adanse say Hariado opportunity bi obenya galamsey asem bia no o de tudwa ono na se sia ogina mu a okun akontomra o se galamsey issue no say ye ni too political ebekwa be wie so because galamsey issue no o say who prevent no adesa wada untumi nkoja awere no ma ho ko chezi galamsey and they mine in the night inti wono say na obeya kodu ye nyina no asodi a e wo say ye de to ye ho so but ya manyofon because say ya show mukutu panti ena sa ne ma we mi neighbor because all over the place apart from Bia East ni Bia West but Bia region ma omutu galamsey but Bia unam kwa ho so omutu galamsey inti e de na e ken ma ye nya ne say ye de ya ban aba because ye nim kofo a NDC ba ye omo ne nam ya ban aba. Last time I had opportunity and I mean one about tete or from se minkuja na odase ya menene nam community bi eduye NDC ni ekoye akojisika say ya ban na ba power yenim ntutu asem bebro mudi timba nsem ya ekoso yina omo chechi timba na jo madam task force yina because ya ban banti na wo ban ba e say ya primpuntu edba intiminia Chairman Wontumi asem no ya ma ye nkase o Chairman Wontumi wa display gold o say obi an lifestyle obi wa opeyem yenhwe say gold no o display ni yankasa ban de o yankasa o say ni gold na amafo bebre e kire say display no ehun hia o say edu ba bi Chairman Wontumi na ntesem kakra woni mu inti wa display gold eno bone be no waye say ya o em de so say ya chain kofo bi o say Chairman Wontumi e de on bai inti eno bisa say agozi zai omcho magozi zai say ye kan asem ne tra sa amanfo mutie nso betie ni tra intiminua asem na aba nanka wo ye young politician anko so ka say die omo ye enye because next time say wona mo na wo yira one neti na IMPP ababa power na ye ba be ka say wo yire no ye aban japade a wo beti ase enye because say ya no obi edi to me because say Chairman Wontumi e ka sa bebre obi edi to me inti ye ni to me ni ha Chairman Wontumi no ka say on competitive for regional chairman inti regional chairman so fine say regional chairman bi wona wa ye bone a ye betumi aka because say the side o mind there ye nko ye nim inti Chairman Wontumi je wa ye no say wa ye bone a emra ani but menua say police are invite na police ajao say ko EOCO asem eba mu inti EOCO at least Wontumi investigate no na munya no dan say mo tran hwa mo han o how na mo han na ya asem o but Oliver we a young man me pesa wote ase say ye kwea so obi ya ade na se enya bo modern aka say oh ade we de na enya ne kwan so na ye nyina ye hu ye anim ba ye nya blame game no na ye ne so oh we ya me we ya wo me me di na gu ano aproka na cheche say you do me I do you aha inti wa ye me no sa na bia next time but ye mfa no nchechire ma me di kan say ye nyina anuanom ne adamfo wa ba power niam a ye hwe say aban ne beye ene say nsem a mo ka kire Ghanafo say ye ba ye de nkokon ketenkete beba anka wo ba he so na obebo da rose o ye ba ye nkokon ketenkete de aba nto bia nkoje ne de oh na gold board en faso be ni nya wo so oh en faso be ni ye make
small scale mining
small scale man gold board now what are that
Good board in your.
Not good board. No, not good board. No, we had a sector that is controlling the gold sector.
But we never had good board.
Yeah, I do agree. Say me can't say a continuity. Some better was when I'm changing more than here gold board.
Me too.
Yes, into I'm changing your gold board. Into your sector or more here gold in so. Into me gold yeah ye can. Gold ye buy ye who say gold no not as form. Yeah, pajam. Into what gold board? What the gold board na bano? Yeah, expect to say a bekosro. Na niema akọ
but then send your MPP deja or dey bia be kan akosoro
oh enu one ton
but they say
I'm see enu one ton yes me see enu one ton
almost 30 tons
yes yeah 30 tons 30 tons ya master kayasu
NDC buy omo dey yam fa say 8 something na be ka a point
yeah enu one yes
but
master enu one ye 30 tons and am dey some bibia ka enu one ton ndo Oliver nyabote na
but they say omo di bia ka yes
what did I say? I didn't say good na ye nya no ye Ghana Japade inti yesre se sa hunhura no ne we no emfa oman koso emma because mo kan sem bibiri eno na Ghana ni ehwe se nsem a mo kan no nkokogbo nketenkete no mo de beba na nkofo anya adwuma ye because mo budget nkura no e say
but say MPP zo kan sa na bi
nkokogbo yes yanka nkokogbo da
anya MPP na mo
yes see no anya MPP but see ya can say ya can man yes see poultry adwuma yes and e be increase no say e be ya animal product ayekra no ebe minimize so we didn't say nkokogbo nketenkete
na say we so ma so no so ebe che nkoko
that be Kayasu, I want you to be fair with me here.
I am very fair.
No. I want you to be fair with me here. I'm saying here.
Okay.
Just I sent me say nkukobwo nkete policy. Mokaye. Or say na nkukobwo nkete policy.
But we read this manifesto and there's nothing like nkukobwo policy.
Say whether it wasn't the manifesto.
But I do agree. Say Mahama said.
Inti mama say na America. Say nkukobwo nduka say or can say ye branch executive mumfa munyim okay so kan sa
sure
yes nti nkukobwo nkete a okay no branch executive omo ba yi branch executive hwe say omo so benya nkukobwo nkete ni bi aye eno ni issue say adwo no mo ba mo kan say mo de women's development bank ebeba and nkukobwo you shouldn't forget say nkukobwo nkete no in their budget omo kan say they will provide for 55,000 household Ghana fine inti yemi say won say sa promise na wo de share nkofo na omonya gidi omu no mo to me provide eno ni issue mo can say mo be establish women's bank na aboa ema adwadi women's bank mo budget mu sika mo allocate here 51 million and perhaps ye nyina enim says a certain up a bank no e be require 400 million but metiase say 51 million na startup capital mon confan start offices na we mu nyina emai and your biggest campaign messenger mo kan ye 24-hour economy 24-hour economy ni yenom ye kan wasem because I personally I say the 24-hour economy is not a policy, it's a demand driven inti a demand driven inti no some of it because 24-hour economy ye cheche mu kan say die na mfaso a ibinya western of we western of die mfaso na ibinya sa niema no na wo say yeka na mo abai mo hwe se nkofo no ensaka
enya about would to be arrested.
No, the problem is if somebody commits a crime, I'm not saying you shouldn't be arrested. Say nipa no commit a crime but ye hwe e kwan na ye de fa na me tell say enye ma democracy.
I'll come back.
So da fia mapo say mo china say a whole member of parliament process war na so mo china sa china entwa yi but ye ne say so we should also condemn inti ye say ye na African system ana say wo Oliver woti we na ya ba ye ba power permit say Oliver o ye na oti wono ya ban japade na me by force
mama befa okay
ye ne say be yi ye fa san chichiro man
Oliver ma mintie on this na fe ye move on
menua me dase say me bra wa kasa bebre and DC as to Wontumi